linking your Google Analytics property to your Google Ads account, you can track every step of customer interaction, from ad impressions and clicks to the eventual completion of your set goals, such as making purchases or consuming content on your website. Don't miss out on valuable insights that can optimize your marketing strategy. To link your Google Analytics 4 to your Google Ads account, you must be logged into your Google Ads account using the same credentials as your Google Analytics account. Now, click on Tools and Settings and navigate to Linked Accounts. Now, find the section labeled From Google and click on Google Analytics 4 and Firebase. Now, find your Analytics property and UA code and click Link under Actions. And with that, you have successfully linked Google Analytics to Google Ads. Now, if you have any questions on how to set up your Google Ads account or have any requests on what you would like to see next, make sure to leave a comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.